Inspired by a look that I saw on Pinterest, and it was beautiful and it was gorgeous, and so I decided to recreate it. And for real, I think it turned out awesome. So stay tuned to see how I got this look. Okay, so first I just want to let you know that I started my face off with Candlelight, which is one of our Shadowsense colors, and this color is perfect for covering up dark circles. So I went ahead and I used this to cover up my dark circles and then a couple other areas on my face that I wanted to conceal. Candlelight is a great option for that. And then I put on my light color correcting tinted moisturizer. This I use on a daily basis, whether I'm going out or not. It just adds that like sheer coverage that you need, and the moisture that you need as well. So this is always a must with my skin. So now to get started on our eyes, I saw this look on Pinterest and I had to do it because it was so beautiful. So hoping the colors that I chose do it some justice. All right, so first off, I'm going to be using Whisper Pink. This is a beautiful, beautiful light color that has like a hint of pink, hence the name Whisper Pink. Next, I'm going to be using Deep Plum. And this is a gorgeous, gorgeous deep plummy purple color. And then to create all the sparkle on my lid, I'm going to be using another one of our limited edition colors, and this is Glacier Glitter. So Glacier Glitter is sort of like a transparent color, but it's full of, it's like jam-packed with prismatic glitter. So it just kind of creates that perfect glittery finish to any look. So let's get started, yay! All right, so first I'm gonna start on my lid, and I'm just going to put that Whisper Pink all over my lid. I'm not gonna go all the way up here because I don't want my whole eye to look very bright and white, just that lid part. Okay, so I'm just going to lightly blend this out. And I think I'm going to choose to switch my brush to more of a flat shader brush, just because I want to be a little bit more precise. So this is just a large shader brush that I'm using. And I'm just blending that all out nice and smooth. So next I'm going to be going in with our Deep Plum color, and I'm going to be using a fluffy blending brush. So again, with the rest of all of our colors, you want to make sure, like our deep colors, to go in light and deepen them up as you need them. So I'm just going to take this kind of like a transition into that crease. Making sure to really blend out those edges. It's looking really pretty. Okay, then I'm going to take a smaller fluffy brush, and I'm going to go a little bit deeper into my crease. So I'm kind of creating like an ombre effect where I want the lightest amount of color to be up high near my brow bone, and then to deepen it up as I get closer down to my lid. You can go back in with that original fluffy brush that you used to apply the deep plum and use that to blend out. You want this look to look as seamless as possible. Alright, so the rest of my eye got a little darker than I wanted it to, so I'm just going to put a little bit more of that Whisper Pink on a shader brush that I used before. And I'm just going to dab a little bit on that, the lid of my eye, just to brighten it up a little bit more, because I really want this part of my eye to stand out. Much better. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of my face while this is setting on my eye, and then we will finish and we'll be good. Okay, now we're all set and ready to go to finish my eyes. So I am just going to use like a pencil, kind of a smudge brush, and I'm going to get this deep plum on the underside of my eye. Now all I'm doing is just adding a little bit to the underside and smudging it out. Okay, so now that all of my deep plum and my face is on and everything's done, I'm going to now do the Glacier glitter, and I'm going to use a flat shading brush to add the Glacier glitter to my eye. Now this is going to be kind of like a tapping motion where I just lightly pack this onto my eye, layer by layer. So I'm going to take a little bit on my brush. I always go cross-eyed when I look at it that way. Okay, and I'm going to lightly tap this onto the white, or the Whisper Pink that is on my lid. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Oh, that is so stinking pretty. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this layer by layer, so, layer by layer, layer by layer, so I may speed this up. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go back in with that fluffy brush that I used with the deep plum. Sorry, my voice is getting all weird. And I'm just going to blend out some edges. Alright, so for eyeliner, I'm going to be using our EyeSense liquid eyeliner in black and our EyeSense pencil in black. And then for mascara, I'm going to be using our VolumeIntense mascara in black. Alright, so I'm all set and I'm all done with my eyes, and I am like beyond thrilled with how this turned out. It's so beautiful. I mean, for real. Like, this is gorgeous. I would have never... just pretty. It's really pretty. Okay, before I become even more of a nut, I am going to pause and I'm going to try to figure out a lip color because I have no idea what lip color to use with this. So I'll be back. Okay. Alright, so for my lips, I'm going to choose to pre-mix Glam Doll and Bombshell. So let's see how they turn out. I'll be right back. Okay, the look's all done, and I have to say, you know what, I say this for every single look that I do. It's my favorite look, but I mean, come on, it's really stinking gorgeous. And the pre-mixture of Glam Doll and Bombshell is like perfection. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And please make sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you can be notified whenever I post another video. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And like always, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.